Hey everyone, it's Libby from Meister Tarot. I'd like to acknowledge the Worimi First Nations people. It's WORIMI, and welcome to you, your guides, my guides in the universal energies. I'm back at the dining table. I can spread out. I've got the light working for me, hopefully, if I can remember how to operate it, and it's absolutely fabulous. So, what I'm going to have a look at, might do a two different deck reading in regards to this. So, what's happened is that the Washington DC Federal Appeals Court, I think it's the Washington DC, anyhow, the Federal Appeals Court have the three panel judges who will make the decision have been had the opening statements made by Trump's defense lawyers in regards to claims of Trump's immunity. Now, the questioning by the judges was very poignant and very direct, and basically saying, well, prove it. Prove it. And of course, then Trump's lawyers were, but he has immunity, but, sort of argument, wrapped in legal terms is what I'm feeling. Um, so it appears that the judges are very well, if you're claiming it, prove it in regards to the law and the Constitution, whereas Trump's defence seems to be based in opinion. Very interesting. First time recently Trump's ever been held accountable. He's just gotten away with whatever he wanted to do, including, as one of my lovely viewers said, with his Irish golf course, he just went to build a wall to stop public access to the beach, and they said, "Excuse me, you cannot do that." So he's having a bit of first time in his life he's actually being held accountable. And he's having difficulty with that. Now, what I'm really feeling is that these three judges are going to make a fast decision. Now, the Shook and Smith case, Jack Smith case, in regards to the what do they call it, inciting an insurrection or whatever it is they're scheduled to be the March the 4th. So I'm really getting the feeling that this three-panel judge are going to make a quick decision. Now, I'm not sure when the Jack Smith Shutkin side are going to do their presentation. It may even be today. I'm really feeling it's going to be, may not be by the end of the week. I'm feeling by mid next week is that it's going to be a quick decision, and we're still in January, so therefore it'll then go to the Supreme Court. Now, Trump's also filed similar filings in Georgia claiming immunity. Boy, oh boy, I wish Nixon had actually been prosecuted to set a precedence, but that's not the case, so let's have a look. So okay, thank you. This is just what I'm remembering from the news article I read. In one of the arguments that Trump's lawyers put forward was that president should have basically unlimited immunity for the time that he was president. And one of the judges asked him, "What about if the president had been impeached by the Congress?" And his lawyers said, "Oh, except for them." So, I mean, I'm ad-libbing here in regards to what was actually said, but it was along those lines. So one of the judges has said, okay, so he has immunity except for when he doesn't have immunity, sort of thing. So let's have a look. How are there's three panel judges in the federal appeals case going to rule? How are they? Oh, I've got a dog here, excuse me. Okay. Tell me about the three panel judges. They're ruling in the Trump appeals case. Let's have a look. Right. Okay. Eight of Cups. Letting go of what no longer serves you and walking towards something new. If you can hear a beeping, that's my washing machine. Okay, walking away from it. So I think they're going, and when I say walking away from it, I'm feeling that they're going to stick by Shutkin in regards to this. challenging this is, gosh, just seediness coming to the surface. Seediness coming to the surface and being being exposed to the light, basically. You've got the two pillars of wisdom. Okay, thank you. I love it when they pull me up. You've got the crab here trying to manipulate the cogs and wheels by pulling on the chain in regards to the illumination of the moon. So that's the challenge. The challenge is the crab trying to manipulate what is being exposed. Foundation. Again, we've got the reaping what they sow. I got this in my Judge Shutkin reading that I just did in regards that she's just waiting to harvest. The basket is empty, the ladder's there. She's just waiting to harvest what's going on. Yeah, in the past, coming forward very quickly. I'm getting the feeling that this, if you can hear that, that's one of the dogs having a drink. I feel this is going to come forward very quickly and be ruled on very quickly. Crowning the reading, the Page of Pentacles, the bringing forth of information in regards to, I'm getting safety and security. And I'm getting safety and security of the democratic system is what I'm getting there. So, okay. Immediate future, Judge Shutkin herself. He may be called as a witness, I'm not sure. Externally, how are they going to rule? They're going to stop, suspend, pause this case. Internally, to bring about a solid defence of protecting the Constitution, protecting the democracy, protecting the office of the president with the stag here. Yeah, hopes and fears, the best of democracy coming forward. The outcome, we've got the abuse of power, the trying to steal, the crossroads moment where a decision needs to be made about, do you follow the path of the light or do you go down into the darkness? Something surprising about this ruling is going to come forward. Might be something out of left field is going to come forward about, needless to say, the dud, and his attempt to throw a snake in the path of this investigation, this trial. There's going to be something surprising come forward in regards to his attempt to subvert the trial here. Oh, this is going to be interesting. This is going to be interesting. I could keep going. There's the whistleblower and information being brought forward by the page, and on the top, out in the cold, desolate, anxiety, trying to keep something secret, this guy, and following a money trail, skilled work behind the scenes. That is going to restrict Trump, and we have his foolishness as his power fades with the Lovers card, and then we've got the Sword of Truth coming forward, Sword of Truth and Sword of Peace. So I'm getting there. I think I'm going to stick by. Oops, sorry. Wobble, wobble, wobble. I'm going to stick by. I think this is going to be ruled on fairly quickly. I do feel that there will be actually some evidence that comes forward that takes Trump and his cronies by surprise. That is really going to stop him in there. It's going to be about, and it's going to be in regards to the attempts to thwart the investigation, thwart justice, and it's not going to work for him. Okay, I'm going to pop those aside for the moment. And those were my Gilded Tarot Royale. Pull out my trip and wait and find out how Trump's feeling about this. Entertainment only. Tarot reader from Australia. Okay, let's have a look. How does Trump... All these cards are sticky. It is a sticky day outside. I've got the aircon going. How does Trump feel about this? Not real good. He's walking a tightrope here. Walking a tightrope, and it's a tower moment. So how does Trump feel about this? I'm feeling, this is going to sound surprising, I'm feeling very blasé. I was thinking about, well, is this going to go to the Supreme Court? I'm feeling very blasé about it actually going to the Supreme Court. I don't think the Supreme Court's going to hear it. I think there's going to be such a definite ruling in this federal appeals court that it's not yeah, and there's my dog off again. That it's not going to go to the Supreme Court. Okay, see how it plays. Show me. Sorry, he's always dragged his toenails on the on the floor. Yeah, how does Trump feel? Yeah, not good. Not good about this. Not good. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. As there is full illumination with the Sun card about something that he has done in the past that will be seen and heard in regards to this investigation. He's not feeling good. Okay, let's have it. How does Trump feel about, how's he feeling in regards to, he feels really, if I say pissed off, pouty, he's really, how dare they sort of, yeah, pissed off pouty is the way I'm going to put it. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Okay, how does Trump feel? How does Trump feel about this three-panel judge? Two were appointed by Biden. However, Biden's got no influence in this, even though Trump keeps saying that it's the Bidens out to get him. Biden has no influence in this, and they are following the letter of the law. Okay, how does Trump feel about this? On the bottom, tightrope walking again. Oh, okay. Disappointment in the harvest. What have we got? Seven of Pentacles. Disappointment in the harvest. Trying to formulate another plan, but it's not. It's not coming to fruition. How's he feeling? Not good. Not good at all. His challenge, yeah, an ending. A significant ending where he is literally trampled underfoot. Emotionally overwhelming for him with the foundation here in the past. His mercenary actions are being brought forward with that Knight of Pentacles, but that's in the past. Crowning this reading, heartbreak, loss, disappointment, despair as the swords pierce through the heart and seen for what they are. Yeah, it's going to be stopped here, I feel. Immediate future, this is the three-panel judges coming forward and saying, no, here he is externally trying to exude his influence my way or the highway, but internally he's really insecure and trying to keep secrets under wrap with that Four of Pentacles. Okay, immediate future. The lies, lie, 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 lie. The hopes and fears, lie, 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 lie. But it's also my January the 6th card, and that's what this is about, immunity in regards to January the 6th. We have the King of Pentacles here again. What the King of Pentacles has done in the past with the 6 is going to be fully exposed. We've got these cards, even though I put them back randomly, slightly different order. The investigation. Yeah, big stick coming forward. Big stick coming forward for him. Yeah, I don't think it's going to get any further than this three panel. We've got him here trying to walk the tightrope, trying to juggle, trying to spin. Volatile information coming forward with the Knight of Wands. Secrets that he wants kept hidden coming to the fore. A lot of anxiety the truth being brought to the surface and exposed to the light of the moon, secrets he once kept hidden being brought to the surface. It's been a long path, but this is also his lunacy. So there may be some lunacy coming forward as well. And here we've got Jack Smith, Alex Whiting. Don't forget, Alex Whiting is the international money laundering expert that Jack Smith's brought on. Looking overseas. And Trump defending himself to the voters. I don't think he's going to be able to defend himself in court. He's defending himself to the voters. But there's information about money coming forward here. We've got the sword of truth cutting through, karma coming and biting him on the bum with the wheel of fortune and justice. Yeah, not good cards for him. Not good cards at all. The DOJ's coming up next in the cards there. For those that know me, I do sort of storytelling rather than by rote. He's not feeling good. There's secrets he wants hidden. Insecurity. Okay, I'm going to put it out there. He's not sleeping. He's not sleeping. He's anxious about this. I'm just feeling pissed off, pouty in regards to it. How dare they? What I'm feeling is that he's trying to throw obstacles in the investigation path because he's actually really scared of Alex Whiting. He's scared about Jack Smith, but he's scared of Alex Whiting as well because Alex Whiting is the money laundering international crime ring expert. But I'm really feeling that it will stop at this appeals court. You'll try and take it to SCOTUS, and SCOTUS, I don't know that they'll hear it. We'll see how it goes. Okay. Or they may hear it, but it'll be really quick. Let's see how it goes. Take care. Yeah, I'm feeling that they won't. Okay. Take care. See you later. Bye-bye.